Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we got this radiator, Alloy Works aluminum radiator. I'm going to put you on a tripod and let's get into it. Alright everybody, let's open this thing up. You all can see this. Some great packing that they do. I did open it up a little bit ago. Packed it pretty good. This is going in the Chevy Nova. That's pretty good. Right. Set it back over here. The table is being used for my transmission, so I gotta use the box. But anyway, overall it looks pretty good. Fan, back. Billet cap, brass fitting, electric fan, back side, put it down, see what else we got. This here is going to be all your thermostat and whatnot for your electric fan, I'll say. All your plugs, your relays, fuses, everything you'll need. Let's get a closer look. Alright, first impressions here everybody. Wells look kind of good. Electric fan. Top port. Top port. Your trans fittings, overflow, your CNC cap, 19-pound cap. Oops, sorry. Anyway, all looks pretty good. The bottom of it. This just seems like it was the right fit and measurements. Has these brackets on it. I don't know if I'll need those. But other than that, fan should keep it cool. I just had a 2-row stock. This you can't see in there, but it's a 3-row. Your cap again. it. You can see the welds, they look pretty good. Mounting bracket for the fan shroud. We'll see how this works for us, everybody. Alright, again, if you like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. A little bit of little fins just bent up there. A little picture of your fan shroud video. Brass fitting. Alright, everybody. Alloyed Works aluminum radiator. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Give them guys a shout if you need something.